Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to fix your flash, hyper flash on your 2006 Honda CBR 600 RR. If you see here, if you switch the bike, you get this hyper flash. From the rear, you can see it. It's a hyper flash. And also the turn signals. It's a hyper flash. Very fast hyper flash. So if you see, we have this problem with hyper flash. So this is like your normal brake light, and this is your turn signals. See, it hyper flashes. I'm gonna fix that. I'm gonna teach you how to fix that problem. Let's tackle that project first. This is the tools we'll be using. We'll be using a flathead. This is a 1.5 flathead, and this is the relay we're using. This is the TST version 2 relay, and we're gonna able to fix that hyper flashing lighting. And by the way guys, this is also adjustable. You can adjust the flash rate to make it faster or slower. Alright, let's tackle the job. Okay, so first we're gonna look for the blue tag right here. This is the blue relay. This is your blue relay right here. This is what we look for. Just slide it. So this is your blue relay. There's a tab right here. Just press it down and pull. Removed it. And we're gonna look for, if you see this tag right here, tab right here, turn it around, that, and we're gonna look for the gray wire. It's gonna be this guy right here, the gray wire, and then we're gonna look for the a white wire and a green color stripe. Actually, it should be this one right here. You see this? It'll be right here. It says white and a green stripe, and we'll also need this gray and gray wire. Okay, and first we need our flathead. We're gonna pry this opening right here. You can see there's an opening right here. We're gonna pry this up. There we go. There's that. There you go. And fold this open. And we're gonna follow this one. Be the the second one right here. So what we're gonna do is push it out, and it will disengage. This is the wire right here. So this wire has the white and a green stripe right here. So this will be the second hole right here. This will be the second hole. So if you select this, take it out like this, and you turn it around like that, this will be the second 1, 2. Just take the second row right here. So next we're gonna grab the gray wire. Be right here. We're gonna take this gray wire. So all right, so white wire with a green line, and then if you know that there's a bunch of square over here, like a gray square, so that's the right wire. And we also need a solid wire, solid gray wire. So I just took the second wire and the fourth wire. Okay, if we turn it, you move. This is a tab right here. Push the tab, removed it. If this is around, and 1, 2, to be the white wire right here, and you will see the gray wire over here. Okay, and the next step, we're gonna install this TST relay version 2. So put the gray wire in here, and it be your white wire with green stripes. Let's put it in. Okay, and let's try it. Let's put the plug in. And we're gonna test try the relay, make sure it works. There you go. Yep, perfect. It works now. See, it really works. So the really works. By the way, this is an integrated taillight, by the way. So it really works. I wanna try the other side. I'm gonna try the other side. Works. Perfect. So you see the indicator there, so it works. We're gonna look at the side. See, it works now. So our signal lights is working like factory now. Put everything back together. I'm gonna remove this so quick. There we go. So we're gonna make sure it's everything. Just double check everything. The wire. Make sure double check all the wire. Make sure it's seated properly. Just push it down like this. And we're gonna put the lock back. Just go like this. There you go. Make it like very neat. So if you wanna adjust your turn signals to make it faster, to make it fast or slower. So because this already factory tuned already for the like 85 signals per second. So you would need is a flat tool. Just a flat tool. Let's just pry it like this up and here, and just like pull it. And there's like a knob here, like a capacitor knob. You can just turn it to make it slower, or to make it like faster, like a hyper flash again. Okay. So we're gonna. The install is it's already completed. So we're gonna put it back together. So you can zip tie this all together. You go like this. Put the zip tie inside right here. You put the zip tie inside here and zip tie all together. I'm not gonna do it because I'm still waiting for my fairings. And put them back. And the install is complete. So that's how you fix your hyperflush issue with your 2004 to 2006 Honda CBR 600RR. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. It's free. If you have any issue, please leave a comment below in the description below, and I will link everything I use, tools, and the relay on my description below. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.